In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash GLoan. Something went wrong. If you're getting that something went wrong message when trying to use GLoan in the GCash app, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will help you clear out temporary glitches and make sure your app is up to date. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You're looking for the gear icon. On many phones, it's on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, find the section that manages your applications. This is usually called Apps, Apps and Notifications, or Application Manager, depending on your device brand and software version. Next, scroll through your installed apps and locate GCash. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to type GCash and jump right to it. Tap GCash to open its app info page. Here, look for Storage or Storage and Cache. The exact wording may vary, but it's the option that shows how much space the app's data and cache are using. On the storage screen, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can become corrupted over time and cause errors like the one you're seeing. Clearing cache won't affect your account, your GCash balance, or your saved information. It just wipes temporary files. A quick note, don't tap Clear Data on this screen, as that can sign you out and reset app settings. For this fix, cache is all you need to clear. With the cache cleared, head over to the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store app, then use the search bar at the top and type GCash. Open the GCash app page and check whether there's an update button. If you see Update, tap it and let the latest version install. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that directly address errors. If you only see Open, that means your app is already current. After clearing the cache and confirming the app is updated, open GCash again and try GLoan once more. Give the app a moment to load fresh data now that the cached files are cleared and you're on the latest version. In many cases, these two actions, clearing cache and updating, resolve the something went wrong message by removing corrupted temporary files and ensuring compatibility with the service. That's it. By using your device's settings to clear the GCash cache, then checking the Play Store for updates, you've covered the most reliable fixes without touching your account data. Go ahead and try your GLoan transaction again, and you should be back on track.